Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Start Speak English. I'm John. Welcome to today's episode of your English listening and speaking practice. Today, we will do something special together. It is your shadowing practice challenge. You will speak out loud, build confidence, and improve step by step with me. So, how was your day? Did anything make you smile? Did you learn one new thing in the last lesson? If yes, amazing. I am proud of you. If not, do not worry. You are here now, and that is what matters. Let's be honest for a moment. Only listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak better English, you must speak. Speak, speak. But how can you start? Sometimes it feels scary or confusing. Sometimes you are not sure what to say. Shadowing can help you. Shadowing means you listen, then you repeat and copy how I speak. You copy the sounds, the rhythm, and the music of the sentence. It is not about being perfect. It is about getting used to speaking English with your voice and your breath. If you speak slowly, that is okay. If you make mistakes, that is also okay. Mistakes show you are learning. Remember this idea. It is not about how long you study. It is about how often you practice. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. If you are here with me now, you are already winning. Today, we will practice 30 simple sentences. I will say each sentence slowly and clearly. There will be a pause for you to repeat after me. Please follow the subtitles on the screen. Watch the highlighted words to guide you. Speak out loud with me, even if it feels strange at first. This practice is perfect for the early stage of your English journey. Do not try to do too much. Do not overload your mind. Start small, but stay consistent. Are you ready? Let's warm up your English muscles and speak together. Let's begin your shadowing challenge. Welcome again to this shadowing speaking practice. My name is John, and I love teaching English. You may ask why shadowing. Great question. Let's talk about it. Shadowing helps your speaking, your listening, and your pronunciation at the same time. When you shadow, you do not just listen. You copy the words, and then you say them like an echo. Your mouth learns English sounds. Your brain learns English sentence patterns. With time, you sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent. About my accent, it is simply how I speak. It is clear, soft, and easy to follow. But remember, British American or Australian, the goal is the same. We want you to understand and speak with confidence. Do not worry about the accent too much. Focus on rhythm stress and the music of each sentence. Listen carefully, then speak clearly with me. It does not need to be perfect. You are learning, and you are here. That is what matters most. Shall we start your first set of shadowing sentences? Let's do it together. Before we begin, I need one small promise from you. Promise you will not give up today or tomorrow. Promise you will finish this shadowing challenge. Can you promise that? Yes. Wonderful. I knew you could. This is day 1 of your 5-day speaking challenge. You can do it. Here are the simple instructions. I say a sentence. You listen. Then you repeat after me. You can pause the video and practice again. Follow the subtitles and watch the highlighted words. Feel the rhythm and hear the sound. Speak with me out loud. That is all. We will go step by step. Let's begin. I am learning English. Excellent job. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I understand more each day. Great work. I feel proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English. You are doing great. I listen carefully. Wonderful. Let's continue. I speak slowly and clearly. I try every day. I believe in myself. Brilliant, do not give up. I trust my journey, even if it is slow. Great, that is 10 sentences. Now, we will try a little longer lines. My effort today builds my fluency tomorrow. I am not giving up. I am growing. My journey is beautiful, even when it is slow. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. I build my confidence one word at a time. I get better with every practice. Wonderful, keep going. I understand more than I think. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster. I show up even when it feels hard. Every mistake teaches me something new. Wow, that is 20 sentences. Give yourself a big smile. You are showing up and doing the work. This is how progress happens. Are you ready for more? Let's finish 10 more sentences. I am excited for you. Take a sip of water if you need. Stretch your shoulders. When you are ready, let's continue. Every day, I feel more confident in English. Speaking clearly is something I can do. I am proud of small progress. English is not hard. It is just new. I learn something new each time I try. I build strong English habits today. My English improves with every word I say. Even small practice makes a big difference. Two more to finish. I am patient with myself and my progress. This is only the beginning of my English success. Great job, we finished 30 sentences together. Did you enjoy this challenge? I hope yes, because you worked for yourself today. It is not about being perfect. It is about showing up, trying, and speaking with me for a few minutes. You have completed day 1 of your 5-day shadowing challenge. Be proud of yourself. If you feel stuck later, come back to this video and practice again. Every repeat makes you a little stronger. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling. I am very proud of you. You can do this. See you tomorrow.